Hello, you're welcome to my first ever live. We'll be going through technical analysis, especially crypto altcoins. Um, we'll be discussing basically Solana, BNB, and then Bitcoin. We'll be looking at how the market will be reacting this morning and see how we can position ourselves ahead of the week and decide on our next investment decisions. So I'll be going straight. But first of all, we'd like to see what the market is up to when it comes to BTC. So I'll be chatting the BTC, and then we'll see what the market has in mind or in store for us. So I'll start off my analysis today from. I'll start off my analysis using the daily time frame. I have some drawings here that I need to do away with, and we can start our analysis. This is a naked chart of BTC. Following a strong rally from around this zone, BTC was able to hit an all-time high of $124,000. Despite hitting an all-time high, the price was rejected briefly towards this key low, this zone here. Price was rejected into this zone. After retesting a zone, price created a bullish structure, retested the zone again, and rallied to an all-time high of $126,000. However, despite hitting an all-time high, it was believed that the price would have gone higher into price discovery. But things didn't turn out as how market was traders were expecting. Rather, we saw a huge dip last week from BTC down to a region of 102, spiking a lot of liquidation. So for me, this zone is still holding the region of $102,000 is still holding for me. Price needs to invalidate this zone before we could say, okay, price is becoming bearish, and price could most likely trade into lower price region. Could expect price to come as low as $80,000 and even $75,000. However, price has been holding pretty well above this zone. That's for the daily analysis. We're going to chart the 4-hour analysis and see what price is up to. We'll be looking for a short-term trade and see how we can position ourselves. It will be good to look for a short-term trade. It gives us better perspective rather than long-term trade due to macroeconomic factors and tariff hike. Long-term trade might tend not to go instantly, so we'll be looking for short-term trade, probably on the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, and we'll see if we can position ourselves. On the 4-hour time frame on BTC charts, following a rejection around this zone, which is $102,000, we noticed that price started rallying up to $115,000. However, price dropped briefly. If we take a good look at this zone where price dropped briefly, we can see that the price retested this zone. Following a clean retest, price started a rebound to the upside. Price started a rebound to the upside. If we check the 1-hour time frame, we notice that after retesting this zone, price started going to the upside. The closest target for me would be $115,000, which is this zone here. To be this zone here. So that's how high I expect BTC to go on the lower time frame, which is 1 hour. Short-term trade. Short-term trade will take us there. This is it. This is what I expect BTC to do. I expect BTC to move in this direction on the short-term trade. So a breakout above this zone could spark more rally for BTC, potentially to this high, $122,000. But for now, we just want to pay close attention to reaction around this short-term high position. Reaction around this short-term high position. Okay, so that is that with BTC, and if BTC tries to go towards this high, I'm expecting altcoins to also have a minor price rally together with it. So we'll be discussing more on Solana today. Let's see what the chart has in store for us for Solana. So I will start the analysis from the daily time frame and see where price is headed to. On the daily time frame, let me erase all these drawings. On the daily time frame, we will notice that price reacted cleanly from this zone. Yes, price reacted from that zone. Following a clean retest around the daily demand zone, we saw that the price of Solana rebounded immediately to the upside. Since the price rebounded to the upside, ideally price should be targeting a high of $137. Would price be able to reach that high? Potentially yes. Price could reach that high, but a short-term trade on the 4-hour time frame also points to that zone, $137. Let's check the 1-hour time frame and see if price could give traders opportunities to enter. If you notice, price reacted around this zone, but this zone is not quite strong. It's a bit weak. So for me personally, I would like to take a trade from this zone. So if price comes to this zone, to be better. So if price comes to this zone, we should expect something like this. Taking at this zone. And it goes higher. So I'll be more confident to take a trade from this zone, which is around 182 down to $175 for Solana. So that will be a most better point to take a trade. That will be the most better point to take a trade for Solana. That will be a short-term trade. So for a short-term trade, our target still remains around 211 and also 237 for Solana. That will be our targets for price for short-term trade, both for daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and also on the 1 hour time frame. Overall, the market has not been showing much reaction following last week dump, wiping out billions of dollars in the crypto market. So the market is taking more time to recover and rebound from its price zone. But the trend of the market still remains bullish. So want to pay close attention to how market reacts. I want to pay close attention to BTC overall. So going over to the next one, we would like to do a chart analysis of BNB. So BNB has been one of the best performing altcoin in the last 1 month, outperforming BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and the likes. We saw a huge rally from BNB following a breakout above its all-time high. Of $192, the price rallied as high as $1,350. Yes, giving traders little opportunities to enter. We saw that the price saw a huge dump last week up to this key zone. And the price rebounded swiftly to the upside. In fact, rallying to a new all-time high of $1,375, which was quite incredible for many traders and also investors. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we'll notice that BNB is quite weak now. BNB is weak. There's no much volume to the upside. The trade shows a potential retest of key levels. So I'll be expecting the price of BNB to come as low as this place, give a fake rebound, and break to the downside, and potentially create a bullish structure to the upside. So that is what I'll be expecting BNB to do. I expect BNB to take out those who are entering long early and create a new bullish structure to the upside. So for now, we'll be keeping an eye to this zone as how price will react to this zone. The reaction to around this zone will give us a better perspective as how we should trade and plan ourselves when it comes to trading BNB in the coming days. So overall, the market is still bullish. Just buying some time and waiting to see where the market will be headed. The key factor here is to pay attention to BTC and see how price reacts overall. We've already done the analysis of BTC, and then we'll see how the market goes up or goes down from there. So this is the much we are going to do when it comes to technical analysis of BTC, Solana, and BNB. You can drop in the comment section if you have suggestions, and if you want me to chat other altcoins for you.